Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you two hauls for the 5 off of 25. Yes, two hauls, the 5 off of 25 that I'm doing for this whole week, okay? For this week. So, like I said, we got 5 off of 25s that you can do Monday through Friday. Also, there is 5 off of 25 for Saturday, okay? So, yeah, I was in the store, right? So this is another store that I always go to that is a old receipt store, okay? So it's not the new receipt store. This is the old receipt store. I'm not even going to try the new receipt store because I've heard so many different things going on with the coupons and the manufacturer coupons and the Dollar General coupons not attaching together, not coming off. And I don't have time for it. So I just went ahead and stuck with the old receipt stores. Yes, that's what I did. I stuck with the old receipt stores. So, y'all, if y'all not out here getting these Febreze plugs or the Febreze sprays or the Febreze small spaces and the Tide detergents with the Downy and everything else, honey, I don't know what to tell you because it's actually giving it away. You know, I know some people probably don't have the time because they're working. I get it. You know, so you want to try to do it on a Saturday. But you might be out of luck on Saturday when you're getting the trying to get the Febreze pop items. Now, as far as the small spaces, you might find those, and also the double packs of the twin pack of the sprays. You might find those. But these Febreze plugs, honey, that I looked up on this today. Okay, I looked at my app. It told me that it had some, but I was like, So I went ahead and came onto the store because I had to take my daughter somewhere. So I was like, let me go by the store to actually see if they had some. Now this store, they keep all of their Febreze, their Tide, and their Gain products up front. So I seen them, right? So I was like, because, well, at first I didn't see them because I went back straight in the back and I was going to get the twin pack of the sprays. But then I went up to the front and I looked, I said, oh, they got the little single double things for the Febreze plugs. So I can get those. So I went and put those back. By the time, y'all, this store, they only have one cash register really working, okay, to check people out. So the line was kind of long. So when I was time for me to get up there, I told the lady, I said, listen, you got a long line. I have 2 transactions. I will wait until you get your line down. And then I need, to get some items. I said, it's not up at the top. It's right there at the bottom so you can see it. So she said, okay, fine. So I think she kind of forgot about me. But this one man, he was in there and then he came back. He said, you still in line? You still waiting? And I was like, yeah. He's like, she could have been and got you. I said, you know what? It's all good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to help her out. I said, it's all good. But then she was about to sell one of my Tides. I said, no. I said, that's what I wanted. And she's like, well, I said, and the man said, she was here waiting before he was. We was also, the dude, he really didn't want the Tide that I wanted. He wanted the smaller one because he didn't want to pay the price for the large one. He wanted to get that small one. So I was like, okay, cool. It is what it is. So, and then this other item I got in one of my transactions, my daughter needed it. So that's why I got it. So let's go ahead and get to this transaction. Okay, these two transactions. These 2 transactions was done in the same store. So the first thing I got was these Febreze plugs. Y'all know they are $5.50 a piece. Okay, this is Smooth and Restore. And I love warm scent. This is whipped warm sugar shea butter. So I know it smells good. So these are, like I said, they $5.50 a piece. So I got 2. There is 2 digitals that actually attach to this, which is a $3.30 off of 2. And then there's a buy one, get one free, okay, that you get. So I went ahead and purchased these 2. Then I got the Downy. These Downies, these are the big ones. These are the ones that is, how many is in here? 18. 18's in here. So this is a big one. This is, let's see, this Tide is $9.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. I don't think it was a store digital coupon to this because it didn't come up when I actually scanned it. So I'm not for sure. Then my daughter needed some toilet paper, so I was like, girl, I'm not going to get no big one, but I'm going to get you this small one. She didn't know I got the small one. She thought I was getting her a big one. No, ma'am. So I went ahead and got her these 6 big rose Scots. These are this is $3.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. And then the last thing I got was this Downy Soft fabric softener. Okay, this is the Cool Cotton. It is, let's see, $5, and there is a $1 off digital, and then also a $1 off store discount, and then which is a $1 general, and then a $2 off manufacturer coupon that did attach. So once she scanned all of these and it came up, y'all, it was $7.60. Yes, $7.60 for it. I was like, yes, thank you, ma'am. I would take it. It's like I paid for, shoot, one or two of these or one of these and got something else and got everything else free. So let me show you my receipt. There's my receipt. There's everything on here. And look at my total savings, $21.85. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then also another 5 off of 25 for this week. Okay. So I'm going to move over to here. This is almost the same thing that I got in the first haul. But the only thing different is I got a Romance and Desire plug. So it's pink, rose, petal, and champagne spritz. So I hope that smells good too. It probably will. So I'm going to go over this with you also. So these two are $5.50 a piece. There is a $3.30 off digital coupon, along with, it's a buy one, get one free Dollar General coupon that did attach. So both of those attach because, you know, you can actually stack coupons. You can stack a manufacturer with a Dollar General coupon. That's the time that you can stack 2 items, okay? So then the next thing I got was another 18 count of this Power Tide Downy Soft Tide Pods. It was $9 and I should know about heart. $9.95 with a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. Then the last thing was this Downy. The Downy fabric softener is $5, and there is a $1 off Dollar General coupon and then a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. Now, y'all, the only thing with this transaction, I could have went ahead and got the Scott paper towel again, toilet paper again, the 6 count with this one, and paid the same amount I did on the first transaction. But you know what? It's all good because my subtotal was $7.15, y'all. See, I could have just spent a little bit more, just got that, and both of them would have been the same thing, and I could have got some daggone toilet paper free too. But it's all good, you know. It is all good. But I know next time. So here is my receipt. So let me show you. There is everything. And look at my total savings. $18.80. I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then a 5 off of 25 Monday through Friday of this week. So it's 7/20. What is that? 7/22 through 7/26. All right. So y'all see all of this. I'll just paid for, out of both of these items, I paid for 2 things and got the rest of it free, mainly. You know what I'm saying? But this is good, y'all. I got one more number I can use to actually get this going, and then I'll be done with 5 off of 25 for this week. But if some other kind of deal comes about, I'm on it with the 5 off 25, because you know why? I have the paper. I have the paper, honey. And from last week, I still got those papers too. Because here is my receipts from last week. that the 5 off of 25. So I'm all set. So somebody bring me a good old deal, okay? So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe. But first, I forgot, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers, okay? I do appreciate you all. I appreciate people that is commenting, liking, or just looking at my videos, okay? I really appreciate it. I told you I was going to try to bring y'all some more items coming back, some more stuff, okay? But this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Londa's channel.